again, nice to see you. Today we're going to cook something, well, a bit different, and I'm going to make paper wrap chicken. This paper wrap chicken was quite a popular dish some time ago in Malaysia. I have made it before at home, so now we're going to make it again. So this paper wrap chicken is very tasty and it's deep fried. So hi, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my videos on food every day. If you like my video, don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. Let's now go and see how do we make paper wrap chicken. For the paper wrap chicken, you will need 500 grams of chicken breast or chicken meat, like boneless thigh, and then we slice it. You will also need half a tablespoon of ginger juice, like soy sauce, a Shaoxing wine or rice wine or cooking wine, 1/4 teaspoon salt, sugar, half a tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of cornflour, a shake of some white pepper. Mix it up. We leave it to marinate for half an hour in the fridge. And this is our meat that we have seasoned earlier. Divide the meat into 12 portions. So now we have divided it into 12 portions. You will need 12 pieces of square greaseproof paper that's cut to 20 cm. You put a piece of coriander before you put the meat, so it will be a nice pattern. Then you put the meat here, and you add some spring onions, some ginger, some chili, so that it will be nice. Then you fold it over like an envelope. Tuck it in. Tuck it in the side. And you fold it over. Fold it over again. And then you tuck in the flap. Now we're going to fry this. It's hot. So we're going to open this and you see how beautiful it is. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Just look at this. So lovely. Wow, it's super duper moist. It's super duper moist. See? So we're going to place it here. Ooh, nice. So now I'm going to taste my paper wrap chicken. The chicken is very succulent. So we need to just cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. If you cook longer, it'll be hard. Good. So I hope you enjoy watching me doing the paper wrap chicken. It's actually quite simple, and you only require a few ingredients. So until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you what I cook and eat almost on a daily basis. So until the next time, don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. And if you feel my recipes are good and that someone might benefit from knowing it, please do share. Bye now. See you. Enjoy your dinner. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.